Alright, so while Matt's doing the bearings on the Zephyr, I'm going to do some individual videos of the fans here in the basement. So this is a Casablanca Lady Delta in polished brass with these awesome high gloss rosewood blades and an Emerson seashell light kit. It's also an LCA, which is pretty cool, and that's the only reason why it fits in this little area next to the stairs. I really need one of those too. Do low. Apparently the story with this one is that it came from Marketplace. When he got to the house, the seller is he had to wake them up from the banging on the front door because they were like hungover or something. Something to know about these seashell lights too is that it has a pretty critical design flaw where it's held in by these things, these little nuts that screw into metal piece right there, but this piece over time likes to bend, so this will just droop down until it eventually just gives way and then breaks. Dude, high speed. Oh wow, look how close it is to hitting that. And of course it's absolutely insane. Man, you really can't even see the rosewood with the light off. And we'll just spin down. I assume this also has new bearings because it's totally silent. Man, this is a long spin down time. Yeah, it's gonna do it for the Lady Delta.